Season 3, Episode 39, Thomas and the Tank Engine Races. One day, some of the tank engines on the island of Sodor were talking about who is the fastest. I won in the Tank Engines League when the international engines came, said Thomas. Well, I would have won the diesels if it wasn't for Boko in that same race, Thomas. Oh, Pa, I bet I'd win. Maybe we should race each other and see who wins. We'll divide into groups and then we'll race. First up, Thomas versus Percy. Ready, set, go. The winner is Thomas by an inch of the buffer beam. The next race will commence in 10 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. I've won. Oh, where do the engines go for losing? Oh, we'll just send them down that siding over there. Okay. The next race is between Bill and Ben. The two are lining up. It's twin versus twin. Ready, steady, go. Ben is pulling ahead, but wait, Bill is catching up quickly. Two seem to be neck and neck across the line, and the winner is Ben. Hurrah, I won. Oh no, I've lost. Well, looks like we're going to race each other in the semifinals, Thomas. Good luck, Ben. Next up is Duck versus Toby. Like they're lined up to go. Ready? Go! It looks like it's an easy win for Duck. Looks like being a tram doesn't really help Toby in this game. The winner is Duck, the Great Western Engine. And sadly, Toby just wasn't able to keep up. Sorry. One last race before we can go on to the semifinals. But we'd like to congratulate Duck. The last race is between Rosie, of this quarter is between Rosie and Diesel. On your tracks, get set, go! Look out, silly steamer! Look out, dirty Diesel! The winner is Diesel! Huh? Bad luck, Rosie. Sorry, you'll have to go with Percy, Bill, and Toby. The next race is Thomas versus Ben. Who do you think will win this race? Who do you think will win the entirety of the race? Leave it in the comments section down below. I mean, obviously this is a real race, but who do you think I'll win the race? Oh! Lucky Thomas seems to have gotten a little ahead. Bill isn't that far behind, but Ben isn't that far behind. Thomas is still able to take it and win. But sorry, Ben. You'll have to go with your brother. Thomas moving on to the finals. Who will he face? Duck or Diesel? Who do you think? Racers, take your mark. Get set. Go! Dirty diesels. Silly steamer. Remember who won our last escapade? Remember who's revolutionary? Oh, you're not Rev-a-thingamajig. You're just a dirty diesel, and I'll prove it by winning. Win? Not today. What? No, I'll never catch up now. And Diesel is the winner. Oh, no. Poor duck. And poor me. I have to race one of the snootiest engines on Sodor. Oh, Pa, you're just jealous. Am not. I would never be jealous of a dirty diesel. Come on, Thomas. Win it for the steam engines. Yeah! Thomas! Everybody, that's what I plan to do. On your track, set, go! I have to win, I have to win, I have to win. No, you're too slow. You'll never beat the diesels who can really go. No, Steamies rule. Diesels just rule, yeah. And the winner is Thomas the Tank Engine, able to go 92 miles per hour. Cinders and ashes. That's almost as fast as Gordon. Just 1 mile off. And I wasn't even pulling at full throttle. Take that, dirty diesel. Oh. Forgot it's all ramps, boy. All ramps, 1920, boy. Wait, 1990, whatever. Thomas and his friends. Do. I can't wait till it's our day to rule this land. Diesel 10 is sure that we'll win, and we will win.